welcome back to the channel and what has to be one of the coldest mornings I've had in this little workshop. It is absolutely bloody Baltic in here. So much that I've only literally just took my gloves off, just told me from the camera. My fingers are absolutely freezing. But enough of my waffle and my pissy moods, because I'm not really that pissy, just cold. Got heater going, just to try and keep me a bit warm, but as you can see by the condensation, it's cold in here. But anyway, today it's going to involve some metal and stuff, but not a bit of metal, but as you can see we've had a bit of a move around in here. There's a Merc still sat there, there's some things hiding over there, and there's something else the other side of over there, which somebody that's watching this video will know exactly what I mean with what's hiding the other side there. You might get a glimpse of it sometime in this video, you might not, but if you don't, you'll see it coming up sometime soon anyway. But anyway, enough of that waffle. Now we've got the bench moved and all the rest of it and cut down and stuff, it gives me more space to be able to work and stuff on here. But today, another day, I'm on this. I should be on the Saab, which is now hiding in there. But I can't get on with the Saab because it's too cold and I need to do paintwork. So for you guys that are waiting for more content on Saab, unfortunately just have to wait till it warms up a little bit, because all of a sudden it went from being reasonably warm that I could do paintwork to crap. So unfortunately that's tucked away in there. So I'm trying to find bits to do. I've been getting on with bits inside there, which you ain't going to see. That's all, that'll all come out at another time. But for now, I'm getting on with, see if I can get some more of this roof rack, even though it's frozen and stuff. So if you remember when I did those bars, I turned around and said to you, I put the stuff around the side, which I kind of took back off again because I didn't like it, in typical deck fashion. But we're going to make the framework around the sides now. See if I can actually get to like that. If I can, then I'm redoing those boards because I don't like how those boards are. I'm going to change that as well. But we'll get to that. We'll get the frame done first. So what I'm intending to do it out of is this tube, which I can't remember what the hell it is. For you lot guys that are the OGs to the channel and all the rest of it, you'd realise that this tube is the same as the stuff that I made the roof rack out of the patrol for. Looks like it's 34mm tube, something like that. 34mm OD tube and stuff, but whatever it is whatever it is. It's what's getting used. I've just spent the last 10 minutes cleaning up a bit of the rusty crap off of it, because it's been stored down the side of my house for a while. I completely forgot it was there, so I needed some tube. But I got that, I found another bit there and a bit of square. It all came off of what I used to make the thingamajiggy patrol roof rack and stuff when I was doing all the 4x4 stuff. But I'm going to have a little workout. I'll probably cut a few bits of tube. And then once I've cut a few bits of tube, we can see, well, you guys can see how I'm actually going to attempt to do it. Because I haven't got a full picture of me at the moment, but we'll get it going and see how we get on. Talking about the Merc, guys, any of you lot are interested, this little firm beauty is going up for sale. It's got to the stage where all I'm doing is using that, and I'd rather use that all day long. So I'm on a hunt for another T4 to use for that. So if any of you guys are interested, hit me up. The Merc will be up for sale. It's up for sale, or swap for a T4, or do a deal with a T4. Even, I possibly might even go for a T5, but let me know. It's up for sale. Well, it will be going up for sale. It's absolutely very, very tidy car, really nice car to drive. I will actually miss driving it, but I get bored. So there's that. So for all you guys that were tuning in to watch content of the Merc, unfortunately, the company that I was going to be working with, which is a Polish company, which I was going to get all my AMG body kit and all the rest of it off of it, decided that they're now no longer sending anything to the UK, and as such, I can't have my body kit. And to be completely honest with you, all the kits in this country are so much money, it's not worth doing it to the car. So it's got to that stage where it is what it is, but the Merc I lost interest in. So I've just been driving it around, hacking it around and stuff, enjoying that bit, but I'd rather drive that. It's just more fun. So if any of you guys are interested, hit me up, send me a message, whatever, and yeah, we'll have a chat. But anyway, let's get back to the T4. What you just see me do, I'll cut a couple of bits of tube. And a couple of bits of tube will go between here and here on both sides. So they go between those two there. Once I've got those two between the two bits there, I can then work on to getting it off, because it's then locked solid and stuff, so I don't have to move and stuff, and we can work from there. Right, so now we've got these bits on, which I had to notch out the plastic underneath the bottom, which, yeah, just about see on that one. Notched out, sunk it down, so the bars now sit reasonably level with the top of it and stuff. That's all squared on top of it. So now it's a case of starting to build some more tubes and stuff, but I couldn't really get it off because I wanted to get it 100% sat in place where it was. So we're not worried about these bits of wood, they're going in, excuse my French, but I don't like them. They need to be redone and redone differently, but we need to make some hoops. Well, hoops, or however I'm going to do it, around the sides up here. So I'm going to have a little play, see what I can come up with, and hopefully it looks right. Right guys, apologise about the extra long bit of time lapse. I physically couldn't get my head around it for some reason. Well, I know why. I've got an absolute monster headache, and now I just find out my welding mask has got no flipping battery. The battery's dead in it, so I'm trying to hide myself behind when I'm welding. But we're getting there. Oh yeah, no, we're okay. I've got to notch the ends off and stuff, but now you're starting to see how it'll end up and stuff. As I say, I've got to notch the end, so that'll then sit down flat. That end's not so bad, but we start to see the shape of how we're getting there. So let me notch these two bits and I'll show you that. And there we have it. Notched in and stuff underneath now. As you can see, it now sits absolutely perfectly on there. So before I weld that one on, I'm going to make one identical to that one. And then we can get them both welded on and stuff. But as you can see, we're starting to get quite a nice bit of shape to the rack. As you can see, it's starting to look quite a nice little shape on that rack. So yeah, let me get the other side done.
2 hours later.
Well, as you can see, we've now got both sides ready to go. So it's just a case of welding them little things on and go from there. Horrible little things. And I've still got a banging headache, but that's life. We've got a little stranger over there, haven't we, mate? What are you doing down here?
Oh, go visit me.
Ah, right, okay. I'm going to carry on welding and annoy you for a bit longer.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I'm going to get these bits welded on and hopefully they come out all right. Well, I apologise guys, I kind of got carried away a little bit and stuff and forgot to turn the camera on, but what I did, you see me weld all the ends on it. I've gone back and lineaged everything off and stuff, so it's got nice little curved lines and stuff to it. I also decided, even though I said in the other episode this was not going to be usable, I thought I might as well make it so it's usable. So I removed all the coating, which is the plastic coating on the sill bars off the sides, which looks shit anyway. And then welded in some other bars going across. Still not finished yet. I've got to put some wood over the top of it yet, but I quickly coated it in a coat of Raptor. So it's got Raptor bed liner on it just to make it black and protected. So yeah, that's that part done. But it's got that bloody cold in here again. The temperature's dropped right off again, and my headache's getting worse. It don't exactly help with all the welding and stuff I've done. So I'm going to come back in tomorrow and get on. But for you guys, it will be tomorrow. Come on, everyone. Yeah, it's still just as bloody cold in it was when I went yesterday. But we have got all this lot's all gone off and stuff. So next port of call, I want to put some rope round here. I think it's going to look quite nice and stuff, and you would understand once you see the rest of the inside. But for now, you can't. So it's as plain and simple as that. There's a reason behind why you can't see the inside at the moment. It'll all become apparent in a few episodes or so, or time, something like that. Some of you probably can work it out, some of you probably can't. But we'll see. So, but I want to put some rope round there, and well, I want to put some rope round there, and I also want to use some of the wood to put some slats back across. Not as wide as what I had before, because I was using the wide stuff when I want to use the little thinner stuff to go across, and I want to leave a bigger gap between the rest of it. So let me set the camera up, just get some rope wrap round it while I drink my coffee this morning, because it's too bloody cold. So yeah, let me get going. Right, well, that's all the rope and stuff on there. You've seen I attached it on the inside, so you can't see where it's joined, I'm hoping, anyway, when it's on there. I put black tape on the end of it to try and hide it and stuff. But that's what I meant by the slats. They're only roughly put on there, they're not there where they should be. But you can see they're the thinner slats instead of these big fat ones, because there's one of the ones I took off, and you can see the difference. They're like double the thickness, and they look like shit. Excuse that. But I've done that, I've spaced them out the rest of it. Now I've got to try and attach them to the top of this, and I think that's going to look pretty good, to be honest with you. I reckon that actually looks pretty bloody good with the rope on there and the wood and stuff, the rest of it on there. I would, if I could be bothered, cut all these to exactly like that, but same as that end. They will roughly, well, you look down it, give or take the odd little tiny bit, but I want it like that. But now I suppose it's time to see if we can get that on top of the roof of the T4 and see what it actually looks like, I guess. Well guys, there you have it. She's up there. She was a bit of a pain to get up there, but a bit of balance on the ladder, soon got there and stuff, but I reckon she looks pretty goddamn good up there now. Quite happy with how that's turned out. As we all know, I got to go around and lock all the saw bars in and stuff. Got a little bit of paint up on here and stuff, but yeah, I reckon that looks absolutely pretty goddamn good. Let me walk around the back and actually do it. I'm trying to hide with camera a bit, but yeah, I don't know if I can block the light out. There we go. Oh, no. Yeah, blocking the light out so you can actually see the top there. It actually looks good from the back and really, really good from the side. Overly very, 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 very happy how that's come out. That's totally transformed it from that horrible bit of crap that I made before to what it is now. So yeah, I'm happy with that one. That's for sure. And yeah, bit of a mess to tidy up around here, but that'll be the next job. Tidy that mess up and then find myself something else to get on with. Because it's still too bloody cold to get on with that sodding Saab, which I need to really get on with. But it is what it is. I can't do a lot more about it and stuff. So yeah, but hopefully, guys, you enjoyed what I've just done there. And as I said, the interior is 99% done, I think. Still got a few bits to do. There's a couple of bits I will show you how I've done it and the rest of it, but will have to be after a certain thing happens. And that's just how I'm leaving that one. So you can all have a guess the reasons behind that one. Stick it in the comments if you want. Be quite interesting to see the reasons why you all think I'm hiding the interior at the moment. So yeah, stick it in the comments. Let me know what you think. We could all have a good old laugh about it. But yeah, I'm waffling on again. But as usual, there's merch and stuff like that. There's some new stuff which I've just put out on the shop and the rest of it. But yeah, until next time, guys, hope you're all staying safe. And hit that like, subscribe, share button, and we'll see you all soon.